Hi, welcome to Techie Fan of India. My name is Shekhar. We are going to get the next tutorial here, the next video of the tutorial Python. As we are taking here the Boolean, we have discussed in the last video. It's the next part of it. We are taking as the define the function here, my function. Inside we are returning the value of false. We will return the value that will come the false as the my function. If we are mentioning the condition here, if my function in braces, we are mentioning braces here, then print the value here. What will be the print the value here? Will print the value as yes. Yeah, is yes. It's right. Yeah, yes, it's right. Next, else will mention that yeah, else print it's not right or it's wrong. This two boolean option is there. One is for true and second is for false. Let's try to get it in better way. If anything is missing, we'll get it and we correct it. Yeah, no, it's not right. So these two conditions are there. We are running the program, then it will come like the it is not right because return value is the false mentioned. That is the reason it is telling that it is not right, means it is false. So depend on you as per you will place the value of false to true and will print the first block of the code. Yes, it is right. So we have changed it from false to true. Then we can see the particular print will mention the first block of code. Yes, it's right. As we got the here, that is very special for us. We have completed it in good way. That's also completed. Yeah. For now, we are going to the next. We have yes, it's right. Yes, it's right. In this, we can see here the particular like if else in this all we are going to comment it in this part of code, and we are moving to the next concept here. We are mentioning the next concept. That is the z is equal to 5,000, and the same way our z is equal to 5,000 was there, but here we are taking the not z because we need to cover understandable of the value. We have taken here the salary as a value, then printing the concept here for the boolean. So is instance, it is asking that is instance salary comma int salary int. It's asking that whether the salary is integer or not. Yes, it's mentioning that true. Salary is 15,000, so it's true. It's mentioning as the true with this particular class, particular object is instance. The same way we can take some other also examples. So we are going to take the next example here. PIE is equal to 3.14. In the same way we are printing here print. We are printing here print is instance in braces we are mentioning here pi, we are mentioning pi comma float. Then we mention true, output is true. As you are programming here, we are getting the same concept here. That is the reason it is mentioning here. So we are doing it continuously. Pi comma int we have went through. So it is going very nice. We'll move it continuously. So we are just trying again and again for better understanding. We are doing it great. The same way as we guys are trying to get the same concept, and we are using the float at the as like integer value is there, but we are mentioning the float. That is the reason it is mentioning here false. And the second float value was there, and we have mentioned the int value. That is the reason it is also mentioned as the false. That is the reason both values we have mentioned here. After running, we are getting the both false. After changing the value of one, correct one, then we are getting the true one, and second one is false. As per our selection will there, it will return the same value. Okay, so we are getting as it is. If you are having any problem, then visit to the same video. I'll get more concept. So thank you for your time. Have a great day. Bye. Thank you.